'cause I'm hopeless in love, hopeless in love with you.
Hey guys, so today I filmed a tutorial on this look using just one palette, which is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Like a Boss. It looks like this. The inside looks like this in case you guys haven't seen it. And yeah, I filmed a tutorial with this palette, so if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. With my Sharp Tip Concealer in Light Sand, I'm going to apply that on my eyelids, and I'm just using my fingers to blend this out. This is going to work as an eyeshadow primer, and to set that I'm using my Morphe M511 in the color Hustle. And I'm just going to apply that all over the eyes so that way when I apply the eyeshadows it doesn't crease or anything like that. Now with the same brush I'm going to grab the color Women Crush Wednesday, and I'm going to be applying that as my transition color, so just going back and forth above the crease and on the crease. You don't have to be too specific with this color. Now with the Motive color I'm using my Morphe M433. I'm going to be applying that on the outer part of the eye, the inner part of the eye, on the crease, just basically everywhere, smoking out the eyes. Now make sure not to go too above the crease because then it's going to get too muddy, too crazy, and just too much. So make sure to blend everything out. Now with the same brush I'm grabbing the color Royal, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer part of the eye and the inner part of the eye and on the crease, but I'm mainly focusing the color on the outer part and in the inner part. Then whatever is left with the brush, I use that to go ahead and go through the crease and blend everything out. So just slowly build up the color, take your time with this, and then back with the Morphe M511, whatever was left in that brush, I'm just blending everything together. Now with the Morphe M224 brush, I use the Sharp Tip Concealer to apply a concealer on the center of my eyelids so that when I go ahead and apply the color, it's going to pop a little bit more, but make sure to blend any harsh lines. Now with the flat eyeshadow brush, I'm using the color Extra, and that's what I'm going to be popping on the center of my eyes to create that halo. You can go ahead and wet your brush and make it look a little bit more metallic-y, more intense, but I wasn't trying to go for that. I just wanted to be simple. And then back with the brush, which is the Morphe M433. Whatever was left, I'm just using that to blend out any lines. And then for eyeliner, I'm using the Kat Von D pen eyeliner in Dolly. I think that's how you say it. It's D-A-L-I. I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to feel about this liner, but I fell in love with the way that this looked. I kind of wish I did like a wing liner, but that's okay. Now for the face, I'm using the NARS Pore and Shine primer, and for foundation I'm using the Tarte Double Duty Beauty and the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1. I know it looks super crazy, but I'm just going to blend all of that out with my damp beauty blender. This kept me matte throughout the whole day. Those two combined together are everything. The LA Pro Concealer in Natural to highlight my face. I did realize that it was a little too orangey, so I went back with my Tarte Shape Concealer in Light Sand to lighten it a little bit more, and my damp beauty blender to blend everything out. Now, to contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Fawn, and I'm doing that on my forehead and on my cheeks. And to blend it out, I'm using the Morphe M492 brush. I love this brush to go ahead and blend out in the cheek area and on the forehead as well. And to set, I'm using the MAC bronzer, and I'm just using my Morphe M530 brush to set and bronze my skin. Now this, I don't have the number. I don't know where I got this eyeshadow brush from, but I'm using that to contour my nose and to apply some on my lower bottom lip. And with the Airspun loose powder, I'm going to go ahead and set all the areas where I concealed and also underneath my contour to, snatch that up. Now with the Morphe M506 brush, I grabbed the color Royal, and I'm using that to blend out my lower lash line, to smoke it out and make it look really good. And for some weird reason, I can't find the clip where I applied the color Extra on the center of my lower lash line, but I also used the Kat Von D liner in that Dolly color to put on my waterline. And then with the Inglot Sparkling Dust highlighter, I put that on the inner corner of the eyes to, give me a little bit of highlight. And with the Morphe brush palette, I grabbed that that coral color. I'm not a huge blush person, but I put some on. And then I also highlighted with the Inglot Sparkling Dust on my cheeks, curl my lashes, apply some mascara. This is from the Maybelline Total Temptation. I actually really like this mascara. I like the way that it smells, but it's definitely not for everyone, but I personally really like this mascara. Now for the lips, I don't know the name of this lip pencil. Apparently I lost it after this, so I don't know the brand or anything, but it's a beautiful brown, and I like to smudge that with my fingers as well. But for the real liquid lipstick I'm using is the ColourPop in Mess Around. It's a beautiful brown color, and then you pop on some lashes, whatever lashes you want, and that basically completes the look.
'Cause I'm hopeless in love with you.
Like this look. If you did, and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, drop a beautiful comment down below, let me know what you guys wear this look, what do you guys think about it, do you guys own this palette, what do you think? So just leave them down below. I love to interact with you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You've been stuck in my head for so long, and I felt now I need to be strong. In the water, I'm drowning, I cannot breathe. I can feel the tide, though I'm close to know that I tried.